heartiest welcome to this victorious Geoites meeting G1. Now this is one of the very interesting events जो इस साल हो रहा है. I'm sure आप सभी लोगों ने कभी ना कभी वीडियो गेम्स खेले होंगे. कभी ना कभी सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स पे लड़कियां लड़कियों ने लड़के या आजकल किसी को भी पटाने की कोशिश की होगी. You must have done chatting. You must have been in the virtual world. I'm sure all of us have grown up, you know, playing video games and growing up into that generation. And when Ra1 came, it was just a fascinating world because, you know, ऐसा लगा था कि all of us have just transported into another world. Well, GoGeo is one such unique portal in India. ऐसा और कोई पोर्टल नहीं है जहां पे आपको वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड एक साथ मिलेगा, सोशल नेटवर्किंग एक साथ मिलेगी, एंड यू कैन प्ले गेम्स टुगेदर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. In fact, in the last 1 year, 11 lakh, that is not a small number. 11 लाख लोगों ने इस साइट पर अपने आप को रजिस्टर किया है. On Facebook, this is one of the 100 most top hits sites. So I think this is just a fantastic thing, and I have people who are specialists about it. Call upon someone very important. I would like to invite Mr. Ashutosh Tiwari, EVP Strategic Marketing, Godrej. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Ashutosh Tiwari?
Thanks a lot for waiting. कभी-कभी हम लोग को इच्छा नहीं होती है, लेकिन कुछ अच्छी चीजों के लिए थोड़ा इंतजार करना पड़ता है. GoGeo is a place where gaming, social networking, as well as virtual environments, virtual worlds where you can actually go ahead and create your own avatar, live life the way you want to, actually was launched last year in March. And since then, it was a pioneering effort. It was India's first virtual world. It was world's first browser-based virtual world. And that's very important for a developing country like India, because most other applications require you to download and all. Here you just go onto GoGeo in your browser and you are straight away into GoGeo. It's been a huge success. Almost as you were talking about, almost 11 lakh, 12 lakh users today, almost 1.5 crore visitors that GoGeo has had. It's amongst the top sites in the country on gaming, on networking, as well as on virtual. Obviously, it's number one. In fact, it gave us immense pleasure when Ra1 started coming out. And Shah Rukh brought Ra1 to life as a pioneering, I think, India's first, futuristic fantasy film. Because this is what GoGeo had started off as a movement. The movement which involved virtual environments, movement which involved avatars, movement which involved a whole lot of fun with friends inside GoGeo. And as Ra1 came over, it was almost natural for GoGeo, which was India's first virtual world, to tie up with Ra1, which was India's first futuristic fantasy film out there. The theme is the same. It's about digital. It's about creating your own new existence. It's about fantasy. It's about having a lot of fun. And that is what GoGeo and Ra1 came together to create for our users. And the results have been stupid. In fact, almost, I think, 50,000 users went ahead and became members of GoGeo as a consequence of this tie-up with Ra1 over just a period of 2 to 3 weeks.
Awesome.
GoGeo.
All right. But don't go anywhere because you know what? मुझे पता चला है कि आपके GoGeo के पोर्टल में Ra1 ने गड़बड़ मचा दी है. In fact, all these avatars that you see, these avatars have been affected by Ra1. And then we thought, भाई, then we need help. And who better than जीवन? क्योंकि अगर Ra1 से कोई लड़ सकता है, तो वो सिर्फ जीवन है. Well, कहते हैं कि जब लाइफ में अंधेरा होता है, जिस तरह यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं, तब गॉड एक एंजल भेजता है 600 वॉट का बल्ब जलाने के लिए. Ladies and gentlemen, the man that you've been waiting for, the man who has a healing touch, the man who has been called king, the man who's my favorite. Please, a big round of applause for the one and only Jeevan Shah Rukh Khan.
And communication. And I think one of the nicest tie-ups that we had during Ra1, and I'm so glad that it's turned out well for us in terms of being tied up with GoGeo. So I thank you on behalf of everyone. I'm really happy that GoGeo had a part of part of the gaming or the avatar or the second life that you could lead is that you could come and hug me on online. So, which is nice that virtually we could do that. So, thank you very much for this association, and I hope we can do this again, because I think social media, networking, gaming, digital world is going to become an important aspect with telephony becoming so broadband. And GoJio, of course, has been working first on even low bandwidth. And I don't have a complaint, but I think we should move on to, when I try to log on, I have to log on from a personal computer or a Windows. I think it should move on to Apple and Macintosh also soon, so that everyone internationally can also, utilize this media capability that GoJio is giving. But thank you so much once again, the whole family of Godrej, who are personal friends. They've always been kind, and specifically this brand GoJio.
There are some people who really played well on this site, and the winners for whom we have actually this event, and they want to meet you. So I would like to quickly call them upon. Well, all the winners, please take a seat, and now he's all yours. You've been waiting for him. Shahrukh, thank you so much. I just want to say that you are the only superhero with a heart that we have.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
With all the winners of GoJio, Victorious GoJio meeting G1.